With this functionality of the Financial Extensions bundle, the user is able to enter in the system all the financings the company has. In case this is done for the first time, it is recommended to install the Financial Type dataset. For this, go to the Enterprise Module Management window and select the corresponding organization. Then, check the dataset called Banking Pool and click the OK button. Now the Financial Type window shows the available options since the dataset is installed. It is also possible to create a new financial type by creating a new record and saving it. Then, in the Financial Type configuration window, create a new record and fill in the corresponding fields. Once all these fields are filled, go to the Accounting tab and complete the fields there, so Attendo has the necessary accounting information to create the finance plan. Finally, save the record. Click the Create Finance Plan button. And the new finance plan is automatically created. This new plan can be found in the Finance Plan tab. The other option to include a finance plan in this section is to import it from a CSV file using the Import Finance Plan button. Once the plan is imported, Attendo shows a success notification in green, and the lines of the Finance Plan tab are complete. For more information, visit the link in the description below. That's all for now. See you in the next video.